Professor Ankenbrand, what are you doing here?
Well, I'm preparing my seminar on revolutions and bubbles, and I want to create a MOOC out of that.
What exactly is that?
As part of our Master in General Management, there's the finance specialization, and in the second semester, there's a seminar specifically on revolutions and bubbles.
Sounds cool. What is it about?
It's about bubbles. The bubbles are just everywhere here. And just take a look at here. For example, the tulip mania in 1736, or the railway mania in 1846, Black Monday in 1987, or the real estate bubble in 2007. In our course, we will pinpoint all those bubbles and analyze from a sociological, a psychological, and an economic perspective. I'm a big fan of a multi-perspective approach, as all problems, they look quite different from an altered perspective. This MOOC isn't just for financial freaks. We will go far beyond financial bubbles. For example, a hype around a brand, fashion style, or around a movement, or just around a simple story. We will examine and discuss these bubbles as well.
So, how exactly will you teach?
I will produce video lectures, and I organize guest lectures via Google Hangout or Skype. I will use certainly recommended required reading, Dan Ariely, Nassim Taleb, and so on. I will combine them with interactive elements and experiments. I will use peer-to-peer learning, for example, with that cool social reading function on Iversity. I will climb with them the entire Bloom's pyramid of speculation bubbles. First, we will define speculation bubbles, the knowledge part. Second, we will classify, describe, and discuss the sociological, psychological, and economic causes, the comprehension part. Third, we will apply the theoretical and experimental findings of behavioral economics, the application part. Fourth, we will examine the speculation bubbles and break that information into parts by identifying the motives of all participants, the analysis part. Fifth, we will evaluate individual and collective solution, the evaluation part. And sixth, we will try to construct speculation bubbles on our own. Well, the students should plan with about a workload of 5 to 10 hours, spread out over 12 weeks. There are no special prerequisites, but yes, the workload will change depending on their prior knowledge. I will use short weekly multiple-choice quizzes on the lectures and the readings, and we will also use, for example, the social reading function on Iversity to comment and discuss the study material. I might convince even more of my colleagues here at the Karlshochschule or at one of our 75 partner universities worldwide to share their insights in new MOOCs. If you would like to join the course, tell your friends about that, vote for it on Iversity, and see you in class.